Alright, so today is April 2nd, and today I just want to share something about what I did today. So as you can see, I have two large rover. I had a third one attached here, but then what ended up being here was that I was trying to get this EXO chip, so EXO Cache, the black box. Um, Pretty much that thing was located here. And then when I blew that up with a dynamite, it took my rover away. So I lost the rover and the RTG. I have a two RTG here, but then now I have to run it with one and one RTG. And this is what's left over. This is what I get for the rover. When I blow up the rover, this is what I get. I get something like these. I haven't seen it in the past. Which I've never done it. So small threes, two extra chips. And that's what I have. So if I were to use, put one here. I just want to know the size of it. This one gives me like a medium debris. Let's see what this one is. So it's small. So getting like a small debris pack. What if I did this one? Yeah, this is small too. Yep. So that's all I want to share.